Hey, it's Regimus Maximus, and we're back yet again. Hey, today we're going to do something a little bit different. I know normally we take a look at some Transformers or some knockoffs and some third parties, but today we're going to go ahead and take a look at this Captain America statue by the Franklin Mint. Hey, get ready.
Regimus Maximus reviews.
All right, we are back. Like I said, we are taking a look at this Captain America statue. It's by the Franklin Mint. I actually saw an advertisement for this on Facebook, and I liked it. I clicked on it, and I went ahead and put my pre-order in, and here he is. Now, I normally, like I said, I do knockoff reviews of Transformers, and I do Hasbro Transformer reviews, and I do third-party reviews. So, this is a little bit something different. So, let's go ahead and take a look at him. Now, as you can see, he's on his motorcycle, or some might call it a chopper. And this does look real good. I think that I actually saw this maybe back in like September or October, and it came in like last month. When it came in, it didn't come in with no special box or nothing. It just came in a box with the foam insert that pretty much fit the figure and everything, statue, and that was it. It wasn't nothing spectacular or nothing like that. So here is the back side of the statue. Get a little bit closer. As you can see, I ain't gonna say that the paint was really put on there that good. You assumed it would, considering it's the Franklin Mint. But hey, as you see, look at that right there. It just, I think it could have been done a whole lot better, especially on the shield, you know. Turn this around. As you can look, you got the stone or round type of setting for his bike. If you look real close on his little wings, on his forehead and everything, they got like little stars or dots on them. Can't see exactly. So yeah. And he did take some AAA batteries. The AAA batteries, you just put them in the bottom here. And they do come numbered. Look at the bottom right here and everything, they do come numbered. And you just got to put the batteries in right there, the numbers right in through here. So and you go ahead and push this button and the lights come on. So as you can see, also, oops, sorry, there are tail lights. So yeah, just noticed one of my mirrors were kind of bent down, so I bent it back up. So I guess it was kind of damaged and But it was shipped a little bit, but I guess it'll be okay. So yeah. I don't have any type of little spinning, turn this light off, little spinning, rotating thing to put him on to show the spinning view as of yet. So I'm having to do this by hand. But I got one coming in. Like I said, I mean, you got the tread on the motorcycle wheels. They look real good. The paint on the motorcycle actually looks really good. I mean, I think they did better with that than they did the shield. Even like I mean, you could tell that it was hand painted. Not all parts, but some parts. I'm not big into the whole statue collecting thing. I mean, I might get a few every now and then. But this is one that I did like and that I ordered. So, I mean, who knows? Maybe I'll get some more. I think there was a slideshow. There's all kinds of awesome figures they have and everything. Maybe I'll be lucky enough to put a little bit back and see about trying to get one of those and maybe doing a review of one of those in the future. So, who knows? But for now, we're taking a look at the Captain America. Like I said, I like him. I think that you might like him too. Like I said, I mean, I just still think I did a little bit better with the paint application. So, I mean, that's probably one of my only big things with him. I mean, I think he looks pretty good. But, I mean, he's a statue, so there ain't no real big articulation or nothing like that you gotta worry about or anything like that. So, but if you want to order him, go to the Franklin Mint website maybe and see if they still have any. I'm sure some other places might have them, like eBay and maybe Amazon. I think he was like either 139, 129, or 159, something like that. I can't remember which one. Either or, if you want him, go check him out. Regimus Maximus with the Captain America Franklin Mint review. Hey, I will see you later, and thanks again. And subscribe.